To create a component with lead, you need to extend the lead element class. Then add the render method and use a tag template literal to return HTML. You also need to use the custom element decorator, so you can use the element name from anywhere in your app. If you want to pass data to a custom element, use a class field with the property decorator. Then you can render it inside the template literal. Templates can also include event listeners with this syntax. You can define internal state with the state decorator. Every time you change the state, lead will re-render the component. You can dispatch custom events to send data to the parent. Custom events can be handled in the same way as DOM events. If you want to repeat something based on a list, you map the array and nest the list of tag template literals. There's also a static styles property that only affects the elements within the component.